Hello, Fly Babies. Hello, my patrons. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is your routines. There are 5 routines in the first layer. The first routine is morning routine, followed by your children's morning routine. Now, if you have one turkey that wants to get up at 5:30 in the morning, they're on their own. You're going to get up before the main part of the family. And those people who happen to get up, or that person, it's usually one who happens to get up early, has to know that they can't bother you. This is your time, and that they really aren't supposed to even have to get out of the bed for another half hour. So you take care of yourself. This is what it's for. So your morning routine followed by your baby's morning routines. The second thing that we're going to do if you're staying at home is, and that means if you're an at-home fly baby. It doesn't mean if you're an at-home fly baby and you decided to stay at home this day. If you're an at-home fly baby, you stay home in the morning to get these things done so that you don't have to worry about them later. Get them done in the morning early, first thing. So after breakfast, when you finish the morning routine, then you're going to go right into putting the laundry in the machine. And while that's washing, you're going to go through an inch of paper. That's the paper routine. And then you're going to stop there if you're an at-home fly baby, and you're going to go right into your zone. And the zone we're in is zone 2, the kitchen. I usually talk about the zone second, but honestly, the basic weekly plan a lot of times or several times a day involves leaving your home, so I want you to put it at the end. So do your zone, which is zone 2, the kitchen, 15 minutes of decluttering followed by put away, throw away, give away, or if there is no visible clutter, then you can do one deep clean thing in there for 10 minutes or less. Okay, and then you're going to go straight to your basic weekly plan. For today, it is errand day, so you'll be leaving the home. So you don't want to have to come back and do zone 2. So now you're going to go leave your home and do your errands, including your grocery purchasing. And then when you get back home, you're going to put your groceries away, put things away the way you imagined it in your head when you were buying them. You know, if you bought a bunch of chicken thighs and quarters or whatever, and they're in a big giant package, you want to separate them into the freezer bags and put them in the freezer and label them and the way you thought about it. Don't leave it and just throw it in the fridge and say, well, I'll handle it later. Do it now. Be a part of the Din Din Club. Do it now, do it now. That was what they used to say in Mary Kay, the Din Din Club. So do it now. Discipline yourself. The next thing we're going to do is you put away your groceries, then you're going to go straight to maybe prepping for dinner. And then when dinner, later on, you're going to make dinner, you'll have all the prep work done. So your dinner will be quick and easy. Then you're going to do the 4th thing, which is the after dinner routine with your family. And then the 5th thing is your before bed routines for your children and then yourself. That's the routines. Now, if you're working, you're going to do the morning routine, go to work, come home, put your laundry in, go through an inch of paper, start supper. While supper is simmering, work on the zone 2. Now, errands, any errands could have been done on your lunch hour, little things that you needed to do, except groceries. Groceries can be ordered, or you may have them delivered. You know, different people have different things. So it may be Saturday for groceries, or it may be later this week, or Friday, or today. Maybe you're having them delivered, or maybe you have time to pick them up after work. Whatever suits your schedule, but this is errand day. So you're not going to be doing errands after you get home. So you're just going to go right into zone 2. You're also going to, all of you, you're going to do 3 clutter checks a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. For those of you at work, afternoon means when you get home from work, and then before bed. Clutter check, looking for mindless clutter in the areas that you've recently decluttered, including your floors, big spaces, so you can see it and make sure that everyone is aware that we are not going to be doing this anymore. This is a bad habit, and please check after Mom, because I'm bad as, you know, I tend to do it too, and I need to be made aware. But once we're aware, we'll stop doing it. We'll start our new habit. So you're going to be in a teamship with your family. Okay, and that's it. That's it for today. We've done our zone, we've done our basic weekly plan, we've done all our routines. That's all there is to do in this. It's really, honestly, doing the Flylady system super easy. I almost said Mary Kay. I know you heard me. So that's it. I want you to always remember to have a wonderful day and to always know that you are beautiful.